Simala Shrine in Cebu is more than just a stunning church. It's a place of faith, healing, and miracles. Thousands of devotees visit every year, believing in its divine power. But what makes this place so special? Join me as we explore the history, the miracles, and the breathtaking beauty of Simala Shrine. Welcome to Simala Shrine, one of the most breathtaking and sacred pilgrimage sites in the Philippines. Whether you're here for faith, miracles, or simply to admire its beauty, this place has something for everyone. Let's take a closer look at what makes Simala Shrine a must-visit destination. Mabuhay everyone! This is the Filipina Nomadic Chef, and today, we're exploring the wonders of Simala Shrine. From its miraculous history to its stunning architecture, this is a place that has touched the hearts of many. But before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more miraculous story of the Philippines. Let's dive in! The story of Simala Shrine began in the 1990s when the Marian monks of the Eucharistic Adoration established a simple monastery in this quiet town of Sibunga, Cebu, Philippines. But what truly put Simala on the map were reports of miraculous events, one of the most famous being the shedding of tears from the image of the Virgin Mary. Many devotees believe that this was a sign of divine intervention. And since then, Simala Shrine has grown into a grand pilgrimage site where people seek healing, guidance, and miracles. Every day, hundreds of visitors arrive here to pray for different intentions. Some for healing, others for guidance, and many to offer gratitude for prayers answered. A special part of the Simala experience is writing a petition or lighting a candle. Each color represents a different prayer: red for love, blue for peace, green for success, and white for purity. One of the most touching sights in Simala Shrine is the Wall of Thanksgiving letter. These are messages from people whose prayers have been answered. Some were healed from illnesses, others received blessing in their lives. Many believe that the Virgin Mary's intercession has worked miracles for them. In this deep faith that continues to draw thousands of visitors from across the country and even from abroad. Aside from being a place of prayer, Simala Shrine is also an architectural wonder. Its castle-like design, towering columns, and grand staircase make it look like something straight out of a fairy tale. Inside the main altar is a sight to behold: golden details, statues of saints, and an ambience that fills the soul with peace. Every corner of this place is a testament to the devotion and faith of those who built it. For those inspired to embark on a pilgrimage to this holy site, getting to this holy site is easy. Travel by bus, van, taxi, or car from the South Bus Terminal. If you are coming from Bohol via Oslob, check out my Bohol to Oslob guide. I'll share the link in the description box and we'll help you navigate. Maximize your experience with the helpful travel tips displayed on the screen. The shrine welcomes visitors daily from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Arriving early is advisable to avoid large crowds and to fully immerse oneself in the spiritual ambience. As a place of worship, modest attire is required. Ensure shoulders and knees are covered to show respect. The shrine offers amenities such as restrooms, a parking area, and stalls selling religious items and refreshments. Maintain silence within the prayer areas, refrain from using flash photography, and always respect the practices of fellow devotees. The Simala Shrine is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a sanctuary where faith is both seen and felt. Whether you're seeking a miracle, offering gratitude, or simply yearning for peace, this sacred haven in Cebu invites you to experience the profound depths of devotion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing stories about the Philippines. And hey, where should I go next? Drop your suggestions in the comments, and I'd love to explore it for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, ingat and see you in the next adventure.